Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today we have a new device. The last review I did for a tablet was the T-Class Master T10, which I actually sold today and shipped it out, and at the same time ordered this particular model from Apple. This is the iPad 6th generation Wi-Fi with 128 gigabyte storage. It is not the iPad Pro, it's just the basic iPad. I just took off the wrapping, so we're kind of doing an unboxing here. And it's a little difficult when you have to hold the camera and open it at the same time. So just bear with me for one moment. So I'm going to pause the video just so that I can get this. Hold on one. Okay, so here we are. This is the unit. I got the space gray, so you can see. This is identical in build to the original iPad, our last year's version, the 2017 release. There's the cord. Same 13 watt adapter, I believe.